Roadrunner, that's what this is. Now,
That's 69.
69 Roadrunner?
Yeah.
What you got under the hood? Wait, before I even ask you what's under the hood, let me see what you work with inside, and that'll give me an idea. That'll give me an idea what's going on under the hood. That's what I wanted to see. I see you got a stick. Why all the plastic on? That means it's new or something like that? Why all the plastic still on the stick? That means it's new or something?
I'm thinking about putting it on a trailer, pulling it back out there. That's a brand new ship. Yeah. Put that ship in there.
Okay, so it's a 440, huh?
Yeah, 440. A dirty 440.
So what it do? What it do?
It don't do nothing right now.
Yeah, it's right now. It's like it's on hibernation right now.
No, it'll run, but
Yeah.
I'm just saying
It need to be.
You know, it run all right, but
Yeah.
you know how I like to do it.
Oh yeah. True. Okay. We keeping hidden in the backwoods.
How you doing, young lady?
How you doing? Okay. We see what Tank working with out here in the backwoods with a stick.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think the next time dude come, I'm gonna have him clean all this.
Hey, if the police stop you, man, you need to cooperate with them.
Oh yeah, man. I've been black a long time. I know how to cooperate. I ain't gonna fight the power. I'm gonna get along to get on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's how I feel about it, Tank.
Okay.
Get along to get on.
This is what I'm talking about, though. When they say, "Show me your license," you said it in my pocket. What? I ain't got but two hands. Can you grab them?
No sudden movements. Keep your hands in plain sight. That's how I treat it, you know.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
All
We
right.
down here at the detail spot in Americus, Georgia, vibing with my man's peoples.
We here from Georgia with the car wash
Man,
man.
tell us
whose
where you at,
name-
man.
His name wasn't sold in slavery.
This is Lucerne Car Wash, 603 North Lee Street. I've been here for 14 years. If you in Sumter County, you need to come by and get your car washed. I can hook you up. I can give you deals. Just come by and see me. Marcus Lucerne, this is my partner right here, Gerald.
Hold on a minute.
If you want some fried
Hey,
chicken,
hold on
if
a
you
minute,
want some fried
motherfucker.
chicken, here you go. You want some chicken?
Wait a minute. This ain't no goddamn commercial. You paying for this shit?
Yeah, we paying for this shit. Bring me my chicken.
Like I said, Lucerne, once again, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
And if you're on Facebook, it's Robert Gibson, man. Because it's
Okay.
going to go in both locations when I make it all a complete DVD of it.
Okay,
So,
okay.
for sure. And I'll get it out there for you.
Damn, he mad at me now.
Mr. Riles in the ending cuts of today's interview of Tank TV. And that's his beautiful sister back there I've had the pleasure of meeting. And so anything you want to say, my brother? Anything you want to say to the world today?
Oh man, what I want to say is so many things I want to say. It's just not enough time to say it. I'm gonna have to use my telephone voice. They really need to start recycling here in Georgia.
There's an overabundance of cans and plastic.
Oh man, there's a lot of money being thrown away. I'm tempted to rent a U-Haul, okay? But no, all I want to say is the second time around. It's better than the first. But the third time around, money, it's going to be all about me, man, for real.
Okay.
And I'll keep it real the same way that I originally said I was keeping it real. I'm going to stay real with it. Because I still love doing it. See, check that out right there.
Okay, I see. Tell me what I'm looking
I
at.
still love doing them too.
You brought them with you down here, or you already had these?
Yeah, I bought them with me.
Brought them with you. What am I looking at? Tell me what it is. Tell me something
I
about
gave
it.
that one to my sister.
What is it though? I see it's a bike,
It's a
but
1948 Monarch.
Monarch.
Yeah.
Where were these originally sold at? Sears catalog, JCPenney's, or what? How could you get this?
Huh?
When it originally came out, where would you buy it
That's the
from?
color it was.
No.
When they originally came out,
When you bought
where would they come from? JCPenney, Sears, or would you have to order them? Or
Oh, it was a battery company that made these bicycles, man.
Oh, okay.
There was a battery company that originally made these bicycles, and they was in
Oh, I see you had a light in the front and everything.
and a horn.
see right here?
Yeah. Oh, it came from Chicago. Okay.
Yeah.
They got a horn on it, money.
Oh, okay. This is nice.
That's all original.
Hey, it even got the bump stops like a motorcycle right here.
Yeah, I
So,
put some horn. I
yeah,
put some
so
time
Lights
in,
on
man.
it, money.
oh, okay.
That worked too. I put some time in making this work, man. Making all this stuff work.
Oh, maybe the battery is dead. Oh, there you go.
It worked.
Oh, okay. So you can night ride for real. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I see that. Yeah.
I put some time in making all this stuff work. Then I use steel wool to clean all the rims and all the chrome. Yeah, I put some hours in doing
Oh man, this is
shit,
beautiful,
man.
Tank. Most
Yeah.
definitely.
When I first got it, it had a lot of surface rust on it like that right there. And I just kept wiping, man.
Oh, okay. Hey, looking good, young man. Looking good. Looking real good.
And then that bad boy right there, I've been had that bad boy right there for a while.
Oh, you got the original red lines on there, huh?
Yeah.
Red line tires.
I put this one together. A few years ago.
Oh, straight laces and whatnot.
Oh
Okay.
man, 144 spokes.
Oh yeah.
Sir.
Okay, that's a good look there. Okay.
Yeah. It's a little cheaper than the real ones. Than the ones with the motor on them.
Okay.
All I'm saying is it's gonna be all good. I'm
It's gonna
headed
be all-
back to Cali in a little while. I'm coming back.
Okay. We're gonna welcome you and welcome on with open arms when you get back. We're gonna welcome you with open arms when you get back.
It's only cracking when I get back, man.
Okay.
I'm hungry. I need to make some money.
Okay.
She is out here.
Yeah, she is out here, Tank. This
I
ain't.
cut that grass. I fixed them lawnmowers. Let's see how smooth that shit is like carpet, man.
Yeah, I see.
They finna get ready to rain, man.
Yeah, that's why I said I need to, before I get caught in some type of rain, some type of weather, and I ain't got no protection on, no pants, on nothing, I need to get out of
If it
here.
rain, though, it ain't gonna be.
For long, yeah, I see how it
gonna
be.
a dry rain. It's
Yeah.
gonna be hot. It's gonna dry when it hit your head.
Okay.
Let me see the best way to go from here.
As y'all can see, America, I am in the deep, deep South. I'm talking so quiet, you can hear birds chirp, mosquitoes fly, the whole nine. I just got through visiting my man Tank. He gave me directions. I told him, I'm in your country to town, I'm gonna come see you. So here we are, in America's Georgia. Ooh, I hope this motherfucker don't let me down. And trust me, you better obey the speed limits around here. The police will take you down if you're doing 46 and a 45. I have been warned. We finna get back to civilization, back to the main screen. I'm out. Talk to y'all soon, hopefully. I'm so deep still in the South. I'm in LaGrange, Georgia, at a Marathon gas station, House of Waffles right there on the side. Man, they got these places everywhere. But almost back to the city. We're gonna keep it pushing. The phone ain't even gonna upload this. I'm so deep out still. All right, we're gonna keep it pushing. Checking in. I know my wife wanna know where I'm at. Make sure I'm safe. Because you know, that's what your other half does. They worry about you. I love you, baby. Victoria Gibson. I'll talk to you in a minute. All right.